Hi everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare, and it's a beautiful day in Southern California, and I needed a outing, so I thought it'd be a great day for a field trip. I'm going to take all of you to my favorite nursery, Plant Depot, and the purpose of it is to show you natural botanicals and plants that we use in antioxidant skincare so that you can have an idea of what the benefits of those plants are, as opposed to some of the big words you're hearing in skincare. Plants and botanicals have been used for centuries by other cultures to heal the skin, to heal the body. So I hope you enjoy this little field trip, and I'll see you when we get to the nursery. So let's start with the marigold flower. Marigold flowers are extremely underrated in skincare, and they have remarkable benefits when used in skincare products. Marigold flowers have a calming effect that helps to reduce swelling and inflammation. It's an antioxidant, which means that it's going to help fight free radicals and help anti-aging. And the flower can protect the skin from everyday damage. So the marigold is a beautiful flower, and used in skincare products can be incredibly beneficial. So believe it or not, geranium is also really great in skincare. I think it might have been a 2017 study, don't quote me, showed that geranium was antimicrobial, antibacterial, and helped with acne. Now, a lot of you worry about essential oils and things, but remember, many of these plants and many of these botanicals can be boiled down, if you will, to their pure state, and they are put into skincare products. And if they are put in as an oil, they have carrier oils, so they're not in a form that is going to harm you. It's actually going to heal you. I always laugh that people want to put vitamin A on their skin, which I love vitamin A and retinol, or they want to inject their face, but they're so afraid of a natural botanical like a plant. So aloe vera is one of my favorite plants. Aloe vera is an antioxidant. It comes in many varieties. It's vitamin A and C, and it's highly anti-inflammatory. It can help with burns, it can reduce redness, swelling. But the thing that you need to know about aloe is it really sits on top of the skin. It doesn't really penetrate, but it's fabulous in skincare products. So you can see the different varieties of aloe vera. Now, I'm not sure if this is my favorite plant because it's from Hawaii or not, but I love hibiscus. Hibiscus is beautiful, and it comes in so many different colors. But hibiscus is known as the Botox plant. So when you boil it down to a powder form, in layman's terms, I'm not a chemist, but our chemist does this, and you put it into a product, it has the ability to act as a Botox in a natural way, to firm the muscles in a natural way. So look at how beautiful the hibiscus is. Lavender. So you can see all of the beautiful lavender. So you can quote me on this. A 2016 study showed that lavender oil promoted healing of wounds, of burns, and a lot of people are afraid of lavender. They'll tell me they're allergic to it, but remember, many times it's because it wasn't in a carrier oil or a carrier. Now, you could use just lavender oil, but I'm not a proponent of that. I like when it's mixed with things that help it to allow its benefits to work naturally, but you're not putting it on in a 100% form that could irritate your skin. You're almost buffering it, if you will. I always say an egg inside of a sponge. But you can see all the beautiful lavender. So here is a classic California olive tree. Now, these may not be fruit-bearing olive trees, but I thought it would help me to go into olive oil. I love olive oil, and if you know anything about me, I love you to put it on your skin. We love to massage with it. And what olive oil does is it helps to quench the skin with squalene, which helps with free radicals, so therefore reversing aging. And it also helps to fight free radicals that can many times be contributors to cancer. So I love olive oil, I love olive trees, and these are just a few of the varieties. You can also see how beautiful this nursery is. There are just so many incredible plants. I personally could stay here all day. So roses, look at all the beautiful roses. They have so many varieties here. And I do love rose oil. I wouldn't say that I love rose oil by itself. I'm definitely that person who likes things to have buddies to back them up in your skincare. So one rose in particular, the damask rose, heals skin. It's highly beneficial to the skin, and it has antimicrobial properties, and so therefore it helps with fungus. And as many of you know, my belief is that rosacea, eczema, and psoriasis, although some of you may actually have that, many times it's overly diagnosed. They're some of the most overly diagnosed skin diseases in the world. And many times all it is fungus. So many of the plants that I'm showing you today help with that. But believe it or not, rose water or roses are another thing that we love to add to our products to help with those skincare issues. So look at all the beautiful roses. I'll just let you take them in. Oh, I wish that you could smell them. The beautiful lemon tree. So the point of me bringing you here is for you to see that things that are natural have been used for centuries on the skin and for the body. So the lemon is an antioxidant, which means that it's a collagen builder. It also is antimicrobial, so it's going to help with bacteria or mostly funguses. I'm also a proponent of drinking lemon water. I used to do it all the time. I've gotten off of that, and just looking at this beautiful lemon, and believe it or not, I have a lemon tree in my yard, I realized that I need to get back to drinking lemon water and really honoring the fact that it helps you internally and it can help you with gut health, although I drink a lot of apple cider vinegar. So lemons, I love lemons. They're also natural brighteners. Would I put lemon on the skin by itself? You know, I think people have and people haven't. That's really a decision you need to make. But I love when it's in a natural organic skincare product. And remember, when I say organic, not everything in the bottle is organic. And I can't tell you how many products I look at that have absolutely not listed their full ingredients list. So be mindful of that. Here's a little baby guy. Look at him, isn't he beautiful? The beautiful orange tree. So here's an orange. They're obviously not ripe yet. But oranges are amazing. And along with lemons, they have natural vitamin C. So vitamin C is an antioxidant. It helps to form collagen. And believe it or not, orange oil, or the orange from the peel of the orange, can actually help to unclog pores, so blackheads, and keeping the skin clean. So it's an anti-ager and an antibacterial. And it's beautiful in a product. I love the scent of it. It has a natural, beautiful scent. I wish these were ripe, but they're just beautiful. Okay, so these are grapefruits. You can see grapefruit. I love grapefruit acids. Grapefruit acids are antioxidant, antimicrobial, so they're going to help fight free radicals, but they're also going to help with teen acne, adult acne, acne from mask acne, scar tissue, and I've used it for so long in our products and I love it. And today, just know, my skin is very clean here. I don't really agree with some of the mask acne videos I'm seeing out there. I actually I did all of my products because I want them to protect my skin, and I haven't broken out at all except from doing the sunscreen testing. So be mindful of that. But back to grapefruit. They're just beautiful. Again, I wish they were ripe, but aren't they just, they're just such a beautiful plant. So here we are at apples. So these are just some, apple, I guess they would be vines, but what do apples have? They're really huge in polyphenols, which are antioxidants that help with free radicals and protect the skin from aging. So they're going to build collagen. They're going to keep you anti-aging. And apples are wonderful. I always love to say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but they're also really amazing for your skin. So avocados. Avocados are rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, and they help with free radicals. So they are a huge antioxidant. And free radicals, when we prevent those, we build collagen, we prevent aging, And they're also such a wonderful source of moisture. I love avocados. You can see the beautiful avocado trees here. I almost feel like I have to come back and bring you when everything is really blooming or ripe. Stores or nurseries are really a great source for hats as well. And many of the hats will have, let's see, I'm trying to see if they have like a sun protection. They'll say UPF 50 plus. So they protect your face from the sun. It's where I find many of my hats. But you can see so many of the beautiful hats that they have. I always say to go with a wide brim, and I would try them on for you right now, but it's pretty hot here today. But again, it's just such a great source of a place to find a hat that will protect you from the sun, because many gardeners and people that are outside want that protection. Ooh, look at how big this one is down here. So there were so many more things that I wanted to show you today. Arnica montana, blueberries, willow, pomegranate, gotu kola, all are incredible antioxidants, all have properties that can heal the skin, heal wounds, heal burns. They've been used for centuries to heal the body and heal the skin. And really the purpose of this was for all of you to not be so afraid of some essential oils, as long as they have carriers or they're buffered, that they're in good ingredients, and that natural things that have been growing in the world that God gave us can heal our skin and heal our body. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to actually head inside and get myself a few houseplants. I'm finding that houseplants are a great way to do something affordable for the house, give me some positivity. They clean the air in the house, which I think is really important right now. And I've just been filling my home with them. I hope you had a great time. If you enjoyed this type of video and our little field trips, please let me know below. Always kindly comment with love, and even if you want to correct me on something. And I hope that you will subscribe. I know many of you are watching, but you're not subscribing, and it would be an incredible blessing to me, to my small business, and just to the joy in my heart. And if you have any other questions, I'm here for you. Have a great day, and I love your all peaches.